Aditya here. First of all, a big thank you to everyone at MOKSH because those guys have been the biggest part of my step 1 journey so far, be it their non-stop guidance or their counseling sessions, and also their concise lectures, and also their extra special help in sorting and weaving through other reading resources. MOKSH live lectures are very helpful. They are very short, lucid, and they are helpful not in only clearing your basic concepts, but they also augment you on how to approach each and every topic practically. I would say MOKSH question bank is a great way to start testing yourself. I found those questions challenging, and also I found it to be a great way of learning new concepts while applying the knowledge I already had. And then the daily live lectures, which are tutored by a wide and amazing range of doctors and guides, who teach us not only all the nooks of their streams, but also solve our silliest of doubts tirelessly, are a big thumbs up.
Start.
MOKSH's learning management system, the LMS, is a beautiful game changer that has helped me keep my step 1 schedule prep completely organized, spick and span. And lastly, I can't be grateful enough to the MOKSH's guidance team, especially Mohini ma'am, Ritu ma'am, Chirag sir. Big thanks to all of you for keeping me up to date with the online lectures, attending to my all doubts and questions at any hour of the day, and properly holding my hand and showing me the path from being just a beginner to a student cracking the USMLE step 1 in his first attempt. So kudos to MOKSH.